Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The significance of wooden furniture begins with its authenticity. Unlike artificial materials or mass-produced pieces, wood has a soul. Each grain pattern, knot, and curve tells a story of time, of growth, of the elements. When brought into a home, wooden furniture doesn't just fill space, it contributes character. It turns an ordinary room into a sanctuary where every piece feels intentional, tactile, and inviting. This is particularly important in today's fast-paced, digital-driven world where genuine, grounding elements are more needed than ever. One of the most compelling aspects of using wood in furniture design is how it responds to light and time. As the sun passes through the windows and across the surface of a wooden table, the tones shift, shadows play across its grain, and the room breathes with a kind of living warmth. Over time, wood matures. It deepens in color, it softens in finish, and it carries the subtle marks of life. Dinner table conversations, morning coffees, handwritten letters. In this way, wood doesn't just serve, it participates in our daily rituals. Becoming part of our personal history. Functionally, wooden furniture is incredibly versatile. From sleek modern coffee tables to sturdy farmhouse dining benches, from minimalistic floating shelves to intricately carved headboards, wood can be shaped and finished to suit any interior style. This adaptability allows homeowners to build their living space around furniture that truly works for their lifestyle, rather than conforming their space to the constraints of factory-made designs. It encourages creativity and individuality, letting each room reflect the unique personality of its inhabitants. Moreover, wooden furniture has a quality of permanence. In an age where disposable items flood the market, the investment in well-crafted wooden pieces speaks to a different value system, one that prioritizes longevity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. A solid wood bookcase doesn't just hold books, it holds time. It's the kind of piece that can be passed down, refined, or repurposed over generations. There's power in knowing that what you build or purchase today may one day hold meaning for someone else in your family. That continuity of care is deeply beautiful. Wood also plays a transformative role in the ambience of a room. Its natural textures and organic tones soften hard architectural lines and balance synthetic materials. A room filled with glass and metal might feel cold or clinical, but the introduction of a wooden console table, a reclaimed oak sideboard, or even a simple pine chair instantly brings warmth and depth. It draws the eye without shouting. It anchors without overpowering. It is as subtle as it is substantial. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another reason wood continues to define beautiful living spaces is its tactile nature. Wood invites touch. It isn't a material that disappears into the background. It demands presence. The smooth surface of a well-sanded armrest, the ridged grain under fingertips, the solid feel of weight and strength. All these sensory experiences make a space feel alive and real. When furniture invites interaction in this way, a house becomes more than a showpiece. It becomes a home. The artistry of woodworking further elevates the value of wooden furniture. Behind each custom-made piece lies the hand and heart of a craftsman. There's an intimate connection between maker and material, between tool and timber. When someone chooses a hand-built dining table or a custom oak coffee stand, they are not just buying furniture. They are buying hours of focused labor, design intention, and love of craft. This emotional dimension adds depth to a living space. infusing it with stories and meaning. In modern interiors, where open floor plans and neutral palettes dominate, wooden furniture plays an especially crucial role. It brings structure without clutter, definition without confinement. A solid walnut dining table can center a room. A reclaimed wood shelf can frame a wall. Even small wooden accents, a stool, a tray, a mirror frame, can shift the emotional temperature of a space from sterile to soulful. Wood communicates calm, stability, and natural luxury. It reminds us of forests, cabins, childhood, craftsmanship, all the things that ground us. Transforming living spaces with wooden furniture is not about following a trend. It's about embracing a timeless truth. Humans are drawn to nature. We crave realness in our surroundings. When we bring wood into our homes, we are not simply decorating. We are reestablishing a connection with the earth, with tradition, and with simplicity. In the gentle arcs of a rocking chair or the silent strength of a beam-supported coffee table, we rediscover what it means to be at ease, to be supported, to be surrounded by something true. Even in the context of functionality, wood proves its worth over and over. Need a compact storage solution? A modular wooden bench with hidden compartments serves both form and function. Looking for a focal point in your living room? A handcrafted live-edge table becomes art and utility in one. Whether you live in a tiny studio or a multi-room house, the scalability and customizability of wooden furniture ensure that every need can be met without compromising on aesthetics. And in a world that so often favors speed and sameness, that kind of transformation is not only significant, it is essential. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wooden furniture and crafts design ideas to transform living spaces and income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.